So you want to ride off-road and likely not pay for camping. Looks like you're headed to an OHV area. Here in California, winter means desert season because there's less restrictions on the type of vehicles that you can take off-road, and it's not a million degrees out. This is where all ages can get their first taste of motorcycling. Riding in the dirt is a great place to start little ones or anyone riding. It teaches you how to control a motorcycle in low traction situations. And I don't care how long you've been riding on the street, riding in the dirt can literally save you. Imagine locking up your brakes going through an intersection. Insert dirt riding skills. OHV areas typically allow free camping or just a small state park fee to support the area. Now, before you take off to your OHV area, double check your state regulations. For example, here in California, red sticker dirt bikes are only allowed in certain months. Information on this can be found on that specific OHV area website. Just double check before you head out. So, OHV areas can be great fun for the whole family, a cheap weekend out, and make you a better street rider. Pair that with Law Tigers, America's motorcycle lawyers that fight for injured motorcyclists, and I hope that you'll feel more confident on the road. There are some helpful links in the description. My name is Alyssa, and I will see you in the next one.